So next question is, we are given with a list of strings. We have to join the strings basically with opening and closing bracket. So that should be suffix, and we have to add a comma as a delimiter. So let's see how to do it. Given with list of strings, what we have to do is we have to add this opening and closing bracket as a suffix and prefix. In between, we have to add the commas. So let's see how to do it. We'll start iterating on the list. We have to use stream functionality. After that, we have to write some logic to basically combine. I'll propose two solutions for this, but we'll start with first one. I'll show you two solutions. We'll start with the simple one. I'll use map. Map, as you know, we can take this word as an input. This word is nothing but word from the list. Next, I'm just doing a simple operation here, opening bracket, and I'm adding word in between. So I'll just add the word in between, and I'm just closing it. So we have to join the strings. This is a prefix and suffix, and between we have to use delimiter as comma. So we have to collect. So while collecting, what we have to do is we have to basically uh, use a delimiter here. I can say joining. Joining based on what? I have to join based on comma. So this is what I'm getting. Maybe I'll just print it here. Uh, this is what I got it. We have to store that here. So you can say string result. So here basically we are iterating over the word, and we are taking the word and putting between the brackets using concatenation. After that we are collecting, and we are using something called join. So every word which is mapped here, right, it will be added here and comma is placed after that. So let's try to print this. I'll just say result and run it. So we can say it has printed the correct expected result. Let's say if the requirement was to put the brackets like this. Let's see, the requirement was putting the bracket here. Then we can do a different solution. So let's say if the requirement was this, take the strings, put it between this. Then what we can do is we don't need this map at all. So we just have to have opening bracket here and the closing bracket here. This itself will solve that problem. So, but yeah, problem I changed a bit, but solution is this one. This is to help you to understand joining. I hope you saw the solution. Basically, it has joined all the strings, put the opening and closing bracket. I hope you got it, how to do it. And let's move on to the next question.